In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Reddit account permanently. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Account deletion on Reddit is permanent. You won't be able to recover your username or restore access later, and any posts or comments you've made will usually remain visible, but they'll no longer be tied to your username. If there's content you don't want online, consider removing it first. Also, make sure you can access the email address linked to your Reddit account, because you'll need it to confirm the deletion. Start by opening your browser and going to reddit.com, then log in with your account. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. That opens a menu with a few options related to your account. From that menu, click Settings. This takes you to your account settings page. If you see several tabs on the left, the account tab should be selected by default. Everything we need is on this page. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the account tab. Near the end, you'll see the option to delete your account. It may be grouped with other controls like data or privacy, so keep scrolling until you find it. Click Delete Account. Reddit will display a confirmation screen explaining what deletion means. You may be asked to confirm your username and password and optionally share a reason for leaving. Read the message carefully so you know what will and won't be removed, then proceed. Next, check your email for Reddit's confirmation link. Open the inbox for the email address associated with your account. If you don't see the message after a minute or two, refresh, and check your spam or junk folder as well. The subject typically makes it clear that it's about account deletion. When the email arrives, click the confirmation link inside. That link finalizes the process and permanently deletes your account. In many cases, you'll be signed out immediately, and visiting your old profile page will show that it no longer exists. If something still looks cached in your browser, give it a little time or refresh. That's it. You went to reddit.com and logged in, clicked your profile icon, opened settings, scrolled to the bottom of the account tab, selected delete account, confirmed via the email Reddit sent, and click the confirmation link to complete the deletion. Thanks for watching and take care.